In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fixed background image using Elementor. So in order to do this, you need to head over to their website, which is elementor.com. Into this part, you need to create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option. Or if you already have one, click onto this Login. Now we need to host Elementor. For this, we will use WordPress.com. Click on this Get Started in order to create an account, or click onto this Login if you already have one. So you can install Elementor on your WordPress by adding it as a plugin. So into this part, I have in here the page that I have created using my Elementor on a WordPress. In order to make or create a fixed background image, it actually depends on what you want to add it to. If it's per section or for the whole website. If it's for the whole website, you can go to this option right here, or to this icon, which is the site settings icon. And then for this part, this will load in order to show you in here the settings. Under this, you can see the background, so click on this. And in here, you can see the background type. You can choose in here this classic option. Click onto this choose image and choose in here the image that you wish to use. For example, let's use in here this one and click on select. And as you can see, it's now been added and it will be determined as a fix. So you can also change its image resolution if it repeats or if it not. You can see this if it doesn't repeat, but if it did, you can choose a repeat X or repeat Y option. You can also make sure that it's default so it will be replicated. If you don't want it right that, you can choose in here the full option or change the image resolution through this way as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.